Welcome to MotoPhoto. We're going to go over a few different things you need to do to upload images to me for printing. The first thing we're going to look at is creating folders so I know what you want from which images. I'm going to start on my desktop and I'm going to right click on my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and choose New, and from there I'm going to click the word Folder. This creates a new folder on my desktop without a real name, so we're going to give it a name. We're going to name it with your studio name. That way I know who the images came from. The next thing we're going to do inside that folder is we're going to create more folders. And these folders will have the instructions for me to print exactly what's inside that folder. So this first one, I'm going to create a folder named 1 4x6. The next one, let's name it 2 4x6s and 1 8x12. And for good measure, let's create a third one, and we'll name it 24 wallets with rounded corners. So what I need to do next is to have my images and move them into these folders for printing. So I already have 8 images that I want to put into these folders, and I have them on my desktop here in this folder named Senior. And I'm going to move this box so I can see my folders and my images. I'm going to go ahead and highlight a couple while holding the Control key down, and I'm going to move those into a folder also while holding the Control key down. This way I'm copying the images from my Senior folder into the instructions folders. If I did not hold the Control key down while doing this, I would be moving the images and they would be gone from my Senior folder. So I have 2 images left that I'd like 24 wallets of each. So I'm going to go ahead and click on those and drag those into the folder. So what I'd like to do now is just double check the folders, make sure that they have the 3 images I want. 3 of these. Remember, each of those images will get 2 4x6s and 1 8x12. And each of these images will get 24 wallets with rounded corners. And that's all there is to creating folders. The next thing we're going to look at is how to upload those. Okay, the next thing we're going to look at is pretty new. It's how to upload an entire folder. The first thing you'll need to do is refer to your newest email, and we'll look at the link that says My Docs Online Desktop App. It's a new application which can download an icon directly to your desktop, and it's a clickable icon, and it'll take you right to my site. So we're going to click on that link. It'll open up My Docs Online, and if you look in the top left, it says Download Now. You'll click that, and if you look just below that, you'll see MDO Desktop, which stands for My Docs Online Desktop, and that is what the icon will look like once it's created on your desktop. So after we click Download Now, it just takes a minute. It's going to initialize Java, and once you have that on your desktop and you click on it, it takes you to this new application called My Docs Online. It does have a place, as it always has, for your login, which is customer, and your password, which is contained in your email. Then you can click the Remember Me box right in here and go ahead and click Login. Just takes a minute. This is a new application, so it's probably new to most of you. Here, if you see a couple folders, one of them is called Upload. So that's where we're going to be putting our folder that we created in the first session. We're going to go ahead and minimize everything, find our folder that we named Photo Studio 1, and we're going to simply drag it to the Upload box. Okay, you can see in the lower left and in the center, it's uploading those 8 images and those folders that we created again in the first session. It's on number 6 already. It just has a couple more, and in the lower left of that window it'll tell us processing complete, and we're actually done uploading all the 3 of those folders and all 8 of the images. If you click on upload, you can find your studio name, which we'll do just to double check. Photo Studio 1, 4x6, and there's the 3 images that we uploaded. So it's that simple. You can go ahead and close this out. We ask that you do not delete anything once you uploaded it. If you did upload something in error, please let us know. There's always the risk of deleting things that should not be deleted. So we'll go ahead and move on to the next section. Okay, the last thing we're going to take a look at is how to upload up to 5 images at a time. You can do these in batches of 5, so if you have 8 images, you could upload 5 and then upload 3 more. First thing we're going to do is open our email. There's an email here that is in blue and ends in MotoPhoto Burn. You'll go ahead and click on that link. That'll take you to a different My Docs Online upload window. The first box asks, who are the files from? We're going to go ahead and click our name, or type in our name there. And we're going to go ahead and order a few prints. Let's click Browse. And since we have those images on our desktop, I'm going to go ahead and click Desktop. And I have them in the Senior folder. So we're going to look at the Senior folder. And I like to see the images I'm uploading, so I'm going to click the View window and I'm going to pick Thumbnails. Here's the image I'd like. I'm going to upload this one. Click Open, and in the comment box I'm going to type exactly what I want of that one. 24 wallets with rounded corners. We're going to go ahead and upload another one, so I'll click Browse. Again, find Thumbnails, and I want the black and white image. I'm going to click Open, and of that one I would like 2 5x7s. So I'm going to type that in the comment box. I'm going to click Upload File in the bottom left, and it goes very quick, and you just let it run and it'll tell you successful for those 2 images, or however many you upload. You can go ahead and close these windows, and that's all there is to uploading images. Whether you upload an entire folder with different sizes for different prints, or whether you use the 5 at a time, where you type in exactly what you want from each image. And at this point, I'd just like to say thank you for your business. I can tell you I would not be here without my professional customers. And I do welcome any comments, or if you have any questions, please give me a call. My number is on the screen. And you can also email me at motophoto@bex.net. Thank you.